when he opens your eyes
യേശു നിങ്ങളുടെ കണ്ണുകൾ തുറക്കുമ്പോൾ
to see his beauty,
നിങ്ങൾ തന്റെ മനോഹരത്വം കാണും,
to see his goodness,
തന്റെ മഹത്വം വലുപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ കാണും,
see his kindness,
തന്റെ വലിയ സാന്നിധ്യം നിങ്ങൾ അറിയും.
you will turn to him with all of your heart.
നിങ്ങളുടെ പൂർണ്ണ ഹൃദയത്തോടെ നിങ്ങൾ തന്നിലേക്ക് തിരിയുവാൻ ഇടയാകും.
You will fall in love with him.
നിങ്ങൾ താനുമായ ഒരു സ്നേഹബന്ധത്തിൽ ഏർപ്പെടുവാൻ ഇടയാകും.
Your life will be transformed.
നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതം രൂപാന്തരപ്പെടും.
Your mind will be set free.
നിങ്ങളുടെ മനസ്സുകൾ സ്വതന്ത്രമാകും.
Your body will be healed.
നിങ്ങളുടെ ശരീരങ്ങൾ സൗഖ്യം പ്രാപിക്കും.
When your eyes are open to see Jesus.
നിങ്ങളുടെ കണ്ണുകൾ തുറക്കപ്പെടുമ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം സംഭവിക്കും.
We've come to join the song. So long.
You must believe that Jesus is the Son of God.
യേശു ദൈവപുത്രനെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ വിശ്വസിക്കണം.
You must believe in his death on the cross.
ആ കാൽവരി ക്രൂശിലെ യേശുവിന്റെ യാഗമരണത്തിൽ നിങ്ങൾ
You
വിശ്വസിക്കണം.
must believe in his resurrection from the dead.
ആ മരിച്ചവരുടെ ഇടയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ഉയർത്തെഴുന്നേൽപ്പിനെ നിങ്ങൾ വിശ്വസിക്കണം.
Upon the praises of 1,000 generations, you are worthy, Lord of all. And unto you, the slain and risen King, we lift our voice with heaven, singing worthy, Lord of all.
She had numbness in her hands, both her hands, the fingers, for 1 year, and now she is completely free. She had pain for her in her shoulders, but now after the prayer she has no pain at all. She is totally free. She was having severe back pain and she was suffering with that for a long time. But today when the prayer was going on, she felt something rolling from her leg all the way up to her top, and then it was keeping on rolling up and down, and now she has no pain at all. 1 year he has been having pain in his leg. He could not even stand for worship. But today when the prayer was going on, he felt a heat wave going through his body, and he knows that the pain is completely gone. The Lord has healed him. She felt a heat coming over her eyes.
And now she can see perfect.
Very clearly she can see. She had headache for 2 or 3 years going on. She felt like something shivering in her head, and now she doesn't have that headache anymore.
We implore upon the praises of 1,000 generations, you are worthy, Lord of all. And unto you, the slain and risen King, we lift our voice with heaven, singing worthy, Lord of
In Kottarakara, India, Jesus Christ is Lord.
Lord upon the praises of 1,000 generations, you are worthy, Lord.